Hi students, welcome to KnowEdge. Today we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We shall start exercise number 3.4. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Now we will be given 4 pairs of linear equations. We have to solve this by elimination method as well as substitution method. Now let's do the first part today. The equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now first let's solve using elimination method. So by elimination method, now we have the equation here, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now here we can either eliminate x variable or y variable. Now if you want to eliminate x variable, then you will have to multiply this equation by 2 so that you get a 2x here for us to eliminate. Now if you want to eliminate the y variable, then you will have to multiply this by 3 to get a 3y here. Let's multiply this by 2 now. Now here your answer will be 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into y is 2y is equal to 5 2s are 10. Now here this will remain the same because it already has a 2x. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is your new set of equation. Now you will have to eliminate this x variable. Now what you need to do is you have to either add or subtract these equations. Now I already told you in the introduction video that if you see a similar sign for both the variables in the equations, then you will have to subtract these equations. Now this is a plus 2x and this is a plus 2x. So plus and plus is plus. So if you add 2 plus 2, this will become 4x. But what we need is a 0 here because we need to cancel this x variable. So we need to subtract these equations so that we get a 0 here and then we can solve the equation. So if you subtract, the general rule is that in linear equations, if you subtract, then you will have to change the sign for all the 3 terms in the second for the second equation, right? So we will change the sign here. This becomes minus 2, this minus 3y becomes plus 3y, plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now you have a plus 2x and minus 2x. So plus and minus is minus, so 2x minus 2x is 0. So that way you got the x variable cancelled. Now 2 plus 3 is 5y. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. This is your value for y. Now let's substitute y is equal to 6 by 5 in the first equation. Substitute y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation number 1. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. Okay. Now your first equation is x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus y is 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 5 plus 6 by 5 becomes minus 6 by 5 on the right hand side. So minus 6 by 5. Now you want a common denominator here. So you will have to write by 1 and then your LCM becomes 5. So x is equal to, your LCM is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Yeah, now minus 5 ones are 5. So 1 into 6 is 6. Now x is equal to 25 minus 6 is 19 by 5. So your value for x is 19 by 5. Okay. So that was the elimination method. Now let's do it using substitution method. So by substitution method. You remember, for the substitution method, first we have to find x in terms of y. So your equation is here. Let's use the first equation for finding x in terms of y. So your x is equal to this 5, then plus y becomes minus 5 minus y on the right hand side, so minus y. So this is your third equation. Your first and second equation are here. Okay, now let's substitute this equation in equation number 2. So substitute equation number 3 in equation number 2. Your second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So now let's substitute 2 in place of x. You will replace 5 minus y. So 5 minus y minus 3y is equal to 4. Now you will have to multiply 2 by 5 and minus y. So your answer here is 2 5 2s are 10 minus 2y, then minus 3y is equal to 4. Now again 10 remains there. Minus and minus is plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5y. So you take the sign from the greater number. So minus 5y is equal to 4. Then minus 5y remains there. 4 remains there. Your plus 10 goes to the right hand side and becomes minus 10. Now minus 5y is equal to 4 minus 10 is 6. So minus 6. Now here cancel minus and minus. So y is equal to 6 by 5. You got the same value as you did it in elimination method, right? So this is your value for y. Now let's substitute this value in equation number 3. Substitute y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation number 3. Your equation is x is equal to 5 minus y. So x is equal to 5 minus y is 6 by 5. So now again you need a common denominator, so you put by 1 here. Your LCM will be 5. Okay, so 1 5s are 5, so 5 into 5 is 25 minus 6. 5 1s are 5, so 1 into 6 is 6. So x is equal to 25 minus 6 is 19 by 5. Your value for x also is the same using both the methods. Okay, now that's all. So let's do the second part in the next video. Until then, happy learning.